Explore Kapatisi TV.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
Ïakynduh University, Meghalaya.
Saungut ki Nongïalam ka Meghalaya Pradesh Youth Congress kin sami na kajala haka arpu atre unaitung arja phenreu pan lek Ïakynduh Nongïalam ka cockroach Jantar party bat iki Samla ki petang peteng ban pelong ya ka jingaki ha Jantar Mantar ha New Delhi ha ka jinga kerang begila pathai kubor u Vice President ka Meghalaya Pradesh Youth Congress u Samla ban phira besaya moin ula ong ba ka jingle chong kene ka kenhun ki Samla ka seng Congress ya Delhi kalong bani IMC mi ki Samla ki dang yai beteng ban pelong ya ka jingaki hadin begilamat ya ka jingsha ka wot lati bat ka jingsha siat da ki bom pensat khamat ha ka jingtur parliament ha ka arpu etre unaitung arja phenreu
2nd of July 2026, four of our representatives from the Meghalaya Congress, from the Youth Congress, from the Sevadal, we are going to Delhi tomorrow, and the purpose is to meet party leaders, to apprise them of the situation first, of what's happening, the statement made by the BJP youth leader here in Meghalaya. We will meet with the protesters, with the leaders of the CJP, and all the shareholders. We are meeting the students who have been beaten yesterday in the protest march. So we will be meeting all of them. We should understand one point, that this is an issue, if not taken up at the right time, this will continue to happen. So we are going to Delhi not just as a symbolic gesture. We are going there to show the world that in Meghalaya also, the youth of Meghalaya, the people in Meghalaya, they are sensitive, they are aware of the problems that the students community face, especially at a time when Meghalaya's education is at the lowest. So yes, we are participating. Our hearts and soul are with the youth of the country, our hearts and soul are with the students community, and we'll do whatever it takes in our power to bring back a community or society whereby there's a just and a fair system, a transparent system where the students are benefited.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEM's bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEM's app on Mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEM's, our ride, our future.